Before I start modifying this 2004 Nissan 350Z, before coilovers, before bodywork, before any engine work, anything, I need to know one thing. Is this chassis even worth building on? What's up guys? If you've been following along, you know this is my 2004 Nissan 350Z, one of my dream cars that I'm super proud that I finally got. And I want to restore it and build it the right way. I don't just want to throw parts at it. I want to restore it, refurbish it, and make it look super clean. The reality is I live in the Midwest, and in the Midwest, winters and salt are not kind to these cars. And I've got a local restoration shop lined up to inspect the underbody of this car and make sure everything is structurally sound. So let's go see what they have to say. Let's do this. I'm hoping they say the car is savable. I'm hoping they say that the rust is manageable and it's not too serious. That way I can invest some money into this car, add some suspension, work on some things that I really want to get done to this car just so it drives smoother. I really want the car to feel less like 2004 and a little bit more like 2015. Things around the car to make the suspension feel a lot smoother. Then we're going to do some headers. We're going to do a Y pipe. Then of course we want to do the cosmetic stuff last. First want to structurally make sure this car is sound and it's going to be great, and I'm going to keep it long term, and then we'll do all the little cosmetic stuff totally last. So fingers crossed, hopefully they say that the car is great, and if they say the car is not savable, well, this series is going to end right there. And then off we go to buy a new car, which I'm looking at the Toyota GR86s. That's a car that I've been looking at. If this car does not work out, I will be selling it. Looking at the GR86s, get one a little newer. I don't have to do too much to it. The only thing I would have to do to it is make it more aggressive. Whereas right now I'm modifying this car, updating it, taking all the old stuff out, putting new stuff in, just to make it up to date. So hopefully we can keep the car. Those are my final thoughts.
Nice. Look at that. Very.
We got some great news, boys. The car is mint underneath. There is some surface rust, but it's super simple things that we can clean up. They reassured me that this chassis is definitely worth investing into. So here we go. Since the shop gave me the green light that this chassis is good to go, this build officially begins. We're going to work on all the suspension components, making sure we get new coilovers, new arms, anything that needs to be done during suspension, new bushings, we're gonna get that taken care of. The second step is gonna be working on the rust management. So underneath there's some surface rust, we're gonna clean it all up, and then we're gonna protect it with some wool wax. And then after the underbody stuff, the rust, we're gonna work on some sound stuff, some performance, so cold air intake, some new headers, some Y pipe, give it that deep sound that we want from the 350Z. And then the very last step is we're gonna work on cosmetics, because cosmetics should be the least important unless you're looking for straight looks. So I'm not too concerned about that. Let's dial the car in first, then we work on cosmetics. And if you want to see this 350Z be built the right way and not half done, make sure you like and subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Thank you so much. Peace.